Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 23rd. The Zen story for today is titled Where the Fox Touched Him. The monk couldn't name the sensation he had been feeling all day. No pain, no dream, just a warmth on his right shoulder, as if something had rested there for hours. He sat up slowly. The cabin was quiet. The sun had not yet reached the floorboards, and yet he felt watched. He turned. Nothing. Just the cushion, the kettle, the low window. But the sensation pulsed, gentle, persistent, on the back of his shoulder. He stood and removed his robe. Nothing. No wound, no bruise, not even the faintest change in the skin. He pressed a hand to the spot, still warm, as if the air itself had left a fingerprint. He stepped outside. The fox sat at the edge of the clearing, watching. Its tail was wrapped neatly along his legs. Its ears were still, eyes unreadable. It looked at the monk the way wind looks at trees, not waiting for a reply, only listening. The monk raised his hand. The fox rose. It padded forward, then circled him once, close enough to touch but never brushing. It stopped beside the same shoulder, tilted its head, then turned and walked into the trees. The monk followed. He moved like someone walking through a memory. The path narrowed. The trees leaned closer. Somewhere above, a crow gave a single caw, sharp and irrelevant. The monk ducked under a low branch and found himself at the stream. Mist clung to the edges, and the stones beneath the surface looked like teeth. The fox was gone. He sat on a boulder and let his feet touch the water, cool, clear, running the right direction at least. The warmth in his shoulder had faded, but something else stirred, not quite sadness, not quite wonder. He looked over his shoulder again, still nothing. Back at the cabin, the sensation returned. A presence just behind him, as if someone had followed but stopped just short of the porch. He turned. This time he saw movement, not the fox. Grass bending gently in a slow spiral, as if something unseen had walked in a circle, right around the spot where he had stood. He stepped out and walked to it. Nothing there, but his shoulder tingled again. He went back inside and opened the small wooden box beside his cushion, the one where he sometimes kept letters, folded thoughts, or bits of forest that refused to leave him. He found a small mirror. He held it up to the spot on his shoulder. Still nothing. But he smiled. He didn't really know why. He only knew that he had stopped asking. That night, the fox did not come. But the next morning, a single tuft of red fur sat on the porch, beside a cluster of mushrooms that hadn't been there the day before. No paw prints, no breeze, just the fur and the fungi, like an offering. He bent to pick up the fur, but stopped. Instead, he sat beside it, The warmth on his right shoulder returned, faint now, faint but constant. The fox never touched him, but yet something had. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What happens when you stop asking? What happens when you stop asking? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What happens when you stop asking? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.